In this video, I'm going to show you how to send gift card with Cash App. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end of the video. Sending a gift card through Cash App to someone is a feature from Cash App. This enables you to purchase gift cards on Cash App and send them directly to someone else's Cash App. Whatever the occasion, it's a straightforward process, all handled within the Cash App. It's the green and white app right here. Let's open up Cash App right now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Cash App. Now here on the home screen, if you want to send someone a gift card through your Cash App, first click on this pay button down here on the bottom right. But before you do that, choose how much of a gift card you want to send through Cash App. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to send a little bit. Here in the section, choose who you want to send your gift card through Cash App, using their phone number, hashtag, or email, whichever is easier for you. Once chosen, you can write a note if you want, like Happy Birthday or Merry Christmas. Next, it's crucial to choose what you're sending through Cash App. Today, we're sending a gift card, so select the gift card button. Now, choose the type of gift card you want to send through Cash App. They have a long list of options, searchable by category or merchant. For this video, let me send an Amazon gift card. Review the details. In this case, we're sending a $1 Amazon gift card. Once ready, click the next button. On the order review screen, confirm the details, and if everything looks good, click the send gift card button at the bottom. You'll then get a confirmation screen stating that you sent a $1 Amazon gift card. Click done, and it brings you back to the home screen. And that is how to send gift card with Cash App. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.